friends, my name is Tasir Mahmood and you are watching T-Tech videos. And actually today's my video topic is Vivo mobile, the Vivo X20 Plus UD. So why there's UD? What stand for UD? Actually I really don't know about UD, so let's forget about this one and let's talk about the king of the king, the king of the all mobiles, all mobile companies, the Vivo X20. So actually there's a question that why this one's the king of the king. So if you want to know about this one, then keep watching my video until end. I know you will be know about this one. Yeah, you will be know about this one. Yeah, I promise you. So actually now let's talk about its body. Actually the screen size is 6.43 inches and it based on 8 to 9 ratio. That's as same as like Samsung S8 or S8 Plus. And if we are talking about its rear camera, that's a dual camera. That's one is 12 megapixel and the second is 5 megapixel, and they both are work on 1.8 aperture. And now if we are talking about its front camera, that's 12 megapixel. Oh really? 12 megapixel. 12 megapixel is a very good camera. Is this for you are calling this the king of the king? No man, actually this is the very now the mostly simple mobiles like Note, like the Huawei one, they also introduced this thing like 12 megapixel in their front camera, or also some like the China brand or India brand, they also introduced this one like dual camera, dual selfie camera. So it's now a common thing. So then the question is why I'm calling this mobile is the king of the king. So actually let me explain, so be patient and let me explain and watch this video till end. So actually let's talk about its software. So its software is based on 7.1.1 Nougat, and actually the question is where is the Oreo? The sweet Oreo chocolate or the sweet Oreo biscuit that I really like. Actually there is no Oreo, and today be positive and let's talk about its RAM. Its RAM is 4GB, its ROM is that's we call random only memory, that's 128GB. That's too much man. Is this for you calling the king of the king? No, I don't think this one's for this the king of the king. So let me explain and again watch my video until end. Now actually let's talk about its battery. Its battery is based on 3900 mAh battery. Yeah, these are the all specs of this mobile. Now where is the fingerprint scanner? So this is the question, and that's why I'm calling this mobile the king of the king. Now friends, I want to tell you about that Vivo is a very small company, a very small Chinese company, and this is the only one in the world who take risk about to introduce a under display fingerprint sensor. Actually this one's really ridiculous that there's no Samsung, no HTC, no Huawei, no Apple. Yeah, but Vivo, believe me, there's a Vivo. So it's funny, but it exists. So now I know about this one that there are two questions that must be in your mind, that by how it possible, and the second question is by how it works. Yeah, it is possible, and the Vivo introduced this mobile on 24 January, and it will let me explain about this one that by how it works. Actually there are two type of fingerprint sensors. They are like one is that's optical and the second is capacitive touch. Now our normal mobiles are based on capacitive one, but the Vivo one is based on this optical one. So actually the Vivo mobile use a company name on Snaptic's company, Snaptic's chipset to his in his mobile with like under the display of the mobile. Now actually I really want to tell you that we cannot use this technology with LCD screens. We can only use this one with OLED screens. The reason is very simple behind this. The OLED screens are working on the pixels ones, but the LCD ones, they are working on the light, the whole light that are coming from his back. So there is no space in LCD to put that Snaptic's chipset in the display. So what we will manage to place that chipset between the spaces of the OLED pixels, and by that it will be when you place your thumb on the screen, then some light comes to your fingerprint, to your thumb, and just take only that parts that like there are some parts like the blank parts in your thumb lines, and after that it go back and tell the CPU one that yeah, this one's the right one, and after that your phone will be unlocked. So this one's very simple, but actually this is the first mobile in the world that include like this technology. So I think so mostly people are talking about this one, that it will be slow, but it is a new, we need something new in mobiles. So yeah, actually Vivo done a very extraordinary job here. So thank you for watching my video. Now I'm really tired. Actually please subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Nigeban, Khuda Hafiz.